Richard Balsamo Dominguez versus People of the Philippines. Facts. On February 10, 2016, at around 4:30 p.m., Dexter Chris Adalim contacted his brother, Police Officer 3 Policarpio Adalim, who was assigned to the Police Intelligence Branch Office in Pagadian City. Dexter reported that his drunk neighbor, Richard Balsamo, had punched him and threatened to shoot him. PO3 Adalim with PO1 Jerome Tare responded to the call. Both officers were in civilian clothes, as members of the intelligence branch are not required to wear uniforms except during inspection. Upon arriving at Purok Santanti, PO3 Adalim saw Richard about to charge at Dexter. PO3 Adalim shouted to stop Richard and identified himself as police officer. However, Richard ran towards his house. PO3 Adalim chased Richard and managed to grab his right arm. In response, Richard punched PO3 Adalim in the chest. Richard then entered his house and slammed the gate shut, injuring PO3 Adalim's right upper arm and fingers. PO3 Adalim sustained slight abrasion and swollen fingers. Richard later surrendered to the authorities. Richard was charged with direct assault. The charge alleged that Richard willfully attacked and injured PO3 Adalim, a police officer engaged in the performance of his duties. Richard denied the charge, claiming that he was unaware that PO3 Adalim was a police officer since he was in civilian clothes. He alleged that he was defending himself from two armed men who approached him and he only realized they were police officers after being arrested. Issue: whether Richard's actions constitute direct assault or resistance and disobedience to a person in authority. 2. Whether the force used by Richard was serious enough to qualify as a direct assault. 3. Whether Richard knew that PO3 Adalim was a police officer engaged in official duties at the time of incident. Ruling: the Supreme Court partly granted Richard's petition, while the lower court found Richard guilty of direct assault. The Supreme Court modified the ruling, holding that Richard's action constituted resistance and disobedience under Article 151 of the Revised Penal Code, not direct assault. The court imposed a strict penalty of 3 months of arresto mayor and a fine